enak loh ini stretching gitu.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, we're from group Satay Ayam. I'm Zaki.
I'm Kenan.
I'm Taki.
I'm Kevin.
I'm Rio.
I'm Manafi.
Today we're gonna make, what is it? Satay Ayam?
Ayam, pudding,
Escud, and pudding. Yeah, let's get to the video. Bye.
Bye. For the pudding and the flour, you'll need flour sachet, pudding sachet, and also water. First, pour the water into a pan, about 3 cups of water. Then, wait until it boils. As you can see here, it already boils.
After that, pour the pudding sachet into the hot boiling water. Stir it for 5 minutes. Then, pour the pudding into a container.
Because our container has been leaked, we're gonna pour it into a bowl. And then put it into a refrigerator. For the flour, pour 2 cups of water and wait until it boils. After the water boils, pour the flour sachet into the hot boiling water. And then stir it for 5 minutes. And then pour it into a bowl or any other container. Then put it into a refrigerator. For making cold ice, you'll need these ingredients. First, scoop all of the cantaloupe. After that, pour 2 cups of water for the basil seeds. And wait until it floats. And for the syrup, we'll use marjan. And then pour the syrup into the container that is full of cantaloupes. Pour as much as you want, but we'll use 4 cups of syrups.
Then pour 4 cups of water.
After that, pour the basil seeds. And then you want to cut your limes into small pieces. And then add the limes into the cold ice.
And then prepare your ice. And then pour the ice into the cold ice.
We'll add some little bit of marjan because it's kind of bland.
And then stir it very well.
Okay, now the cold ice is done. For making chicken satay, you'll need these ingredients. First, prepare your chicken breast. After that, wash your chicken breast so all the bacteria are gone. We're gonna speed this up because it took us so long. Then, cut your chicken into small pieces that could fit into the skewers. We're gonna speed this up because it took us so long. After that, wash the chicken again. And then, put the chicken into the skewers. For the special sauce, you'll need 10 cloves of garlic, 10 shallots, 10 cloves of pecans, 2 pieces of orange leaves. Then put it into a blender and add enough water. Then blend it.
And then pour the special sauce into a pan. And don't forget to turn on the stove. And then pour some enough water. After that, pour the groundnuts. And then add some enough water. Again and again for 3 times.
And then add salt to taste. For 2 times. And then add 3 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce. Make sure to stir it very well. After that, pour it into a bowl or any other containers. For the sides, it's optional. So you'll need red onions, tomatoes, and chilies. Then cut the red onion skin off. After that, cut the red onion into small pieces. And then smear all of the chicken satay. Make sure it's all over the chicken satay. After that, prepare your charcoals. And then fan the charcoals up to 15 minutes to 20 minutes. And then put the chicken satay on top of the grill. Then fan the chicken satay up to 10 minutes. After that, put it onto a plate.
Hello guys, today I'm gonna do the testimony in one bite. Bismillah.
That's 2 bites, but
It's so good. I don't know what my name is. Guys, I think that's it for our video of making satay chicken, escowet, and pudding. I'm Zaki.
I'm Rio.
I'm Kenan.
I'm Taki.
I'm Anafi.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.